Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of viewing the Community Chats menu in Messenger. If you're curious about exploring and engaging with various communities, this guide is for you. Let's get started. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device and search for Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon, featuring a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, and then tap on Install to download and install the app. Once you've installed the Messenger app, sign in using your login credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Messenger home screen. Now let's explore how to view the Community Chats menu. Tap on the Calls option located at the bottom of the screen. It's represented by a video camera icon. By tapping on it, you'll open the Calls menu. Next, tap on See All, located at the top right side of the screen. This will take you to the full view of the Calls menu with additional options. Within the expanded Calls menu, you'll find the Community Chats section. This section allows you to discover and join various communities of interest, where you can engage in conversations and connect with like-minded individuals. Scroll through the Community Chats menu to explore the available communities. Each community will have a name, description, and member count. To join a community, simply tap on the community you're interested in. This will take you to the Community Chat, where you can start interacting with other members and participate in discussions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view the Community Chats menu in Messenger. Start exploring various communities and connect with people who share your interests. We hope you found this full guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.